Let's have a look at two key technologies featured in Panasonic refrigerators. First, Econavi. It's almost like Econavi refrigerators have a mind of their own. The secret is the intelligent sensors. The lighting sensor detects the level of light in the room. The door sensor detects how often the refrigerator door is opened and closed. The room temperature sensor works with the internal temperature sensor to detect the difference between the room temperature and the temperature inside the refrigerator, adjusting the power level accordingly. Each of these sensors gathers and stores 3 weeks of information about user lifestyle patterns, and that data is used for precise control of the refrigerator's inverter, so energy consumption is reduced without your even knowing it. Second is a new space-efficient design. Until now, the compressor could only be placed at the bottom of the refrigerator due to its weight and the vibration it generates. But thanks to innovative new Panasonic design technology, it has been moved to the top rear position. This creates more space for the vegetable compartment and freezer. Also, the drawer rails are lower, increasing weight-bearing capacity substantially and providing easier, fuller access to food. Panasonic Econavi refrigerators continue to evolve.
Panasonic.